My name is Aleix. I'm 10 years old. I live in Barcelona with my mom, my father, and my brother. I like football and like pizza and soap. I don't like meat, chicken, and milk. At school, I'm good at maths, PE, and English. My favorite club is Football Club Barcelona.
Hello, my name is Yuri. I was born in Mexico, but I live in Barcelona. I like pizza and football. I don't like onion. At school, I'm good at English and PE. I like soccer. My favorite team is Football Club Barcelona. I love tacos and enchiladas.
My name is Matthias. I am 10 years old. I like pizza. I live in Barcelona, Spain. I like pizza, burger. I am a carnivore. At school, I'm good at mathematics and PE. My favorite subject is PE, seats or playground.
Hello, my name is Jaira and I'm 11 years old. I am from Peru, but I live in Barcelona. My favorite subjects are PE and music. At school I'm good at music. I like papa la huancaína, food from Peru. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Juan. I'm 11 years old. I was born in Spain, but I live Barcelona with my father Eduardo and my mother Angelica, my sister Lisbeth, and my brother Tony. I like football and basketball. My favorite football teams are Barça and Borussia Dortmund. Okay? Bye bye.